Thanks for being here. Today, I'll walk you through the exact system we use to help service businesses generate consistent, high quality leads using Google Ads. We call it the Google Ads Lead Propulsion System. It's built for clarity, not complexity, because growing your business shouldn't feel like guesswork. First, why did we build the system? Here's why. Because service businesses deserve more and better leads. Can you relate to this one? Most of our clients, they come to us, they already have a solid business, they do good work and serve their clients well, and they usually provide top-notch customer service. But their struggle is in generating leads from their marketing. Either they're not getting leads, they're getting too few leads, or they're generating low quality leads. Many of them have tried an agency or freelancer in the past, but they only bled money and didn't get good results. There are many reasons why an agency failed to deliver, and here are some of the biggest ones. First, they take too many clients than they can handle. I remember the post where an account manager says he handles 90 clients for his agency. If you handle too many clients like that, you cannot give enough attention to each one. Next is lack of focus. These are generalist agencies doing everything for everyone. And by doing that, they fail to gain deep expertise, which leads me to the third reason, which is lack of the right skills and systems. And that's where we come in. Quick intro about me. I'm Aldrin. My background is in mechanical engineering. But since 2017, I've worked in digital marketing. I've done everything from copywriting to web design to meta ads. Today, I help businesses generate ready to buy leads using Google Ads. My mission is clear: to help excellent businesses win through Google Ads. Here are a few results we've helped our clients achieve. For our US service business client, we've helped them add 43K in new revenue. For a local business, we've helped them generate 3,500 a day in sales. We've delivered $70 cost per lead for a $3,000 service. And for a client who's operating nationwide in the US, we've increased their qualified leads to 450 per month. And right now, we're helping another client scale to $10,000 per day. Now, here's what one of our clients has to say. Before I show you our process, let me share our core values. These are more than just words. They guide how we work and who we work with. We're not just looking for clients. We're building long-term partnerships. Now, here's an overview of how we bring consistent results. This is not a template. It's a proven framework that we adapt for each business we work with. From discovery to scaling, each phase builds on top of the one before it. This is where it starts. We want to deeply understand your challenges, your goals, and whether or not we're the right fit. If we're aligned from the very beginning, everything downstream becomes easier. Next, we dive into your data. If you have run ads before, This may mean doing an audit of your campaigns. We'll find out what's working, what's not, and what's missing. From there, we build a clear roadmap that will guide us through everything else that follows. Once we have a strategy, we don't go all in right away. We start with a pilot, testing, gathering data, building a strong foundation. This way, we minimize waste while getting the insights we need. After the pilot, we pause and assess. We ask, what is the data telling us? What do we need to optimize? Are we ready to scale? Or are there bottlenecks we need to solve first? This is where the momentum kicks in. Once we've validated what works, we'll start showing your offer to more people. We have specific benchmarks we follow to make sure you get the best possible results out of your budget. It's not about scaling fast, then crashing and burning. It's about strategic, sustainable growth. Even after launch, the real work continues. We monitor and optimize everything from keywords and ad copy to bids and targeting. This checklist right here is just a snapshot of what gets refined over time. Here's what the typical timeline looks like. Week 1 is about alignment and planning. Weeks 2 to 8 is where the pilot is set up and run. Week 9, we review and recalibrate. From week 10 onward, we scale. This isn't a set and forget system. It's more of a living process. Now, if you're looking for someone to simply run ads, that's not us. But if you want a partner who treats your business like it's their own, who brings clarity, strategy, and consistent results, then let's talk.